Hi guys, so we're going to be going over Tuesday's lesson. Here's what you got to do. Okay, so first and foremost, when you log in, you are going to see the assignments due that day, due tomorrow, right here under the current message. So that's going to post tomorrow at around 9 a.m. You'll be able to see an update of this agenda. So I'm going to remind you to read chapter 8, and I'm going to remind you of the 4 questions that you have to submit after reading. And that's going to look like this. So similar postings, just down here, it's going to say, here's the bell work for Tuesday, here are the questions for chapter 8, and then I might even be able to post a link to chapter 8 itself so you can go in and read it. Another way of going in and checking that is going in through assignments, and it will be posted right here. Now it's not there right now because, as I mentioned in my earlier video, I'm not going to be posting assignments ahead of time anymore just to avoid any confusion. So let's infiltrate Miss McCann's classroom very quickly. Here are her assignments. And you are going to see the same thing tomorrow. So you're going to see a link to an assignment to the Giver Chapter 8. And you're going to go ahead and click on it. And it's going to take you to this page right here. So I'm going to give you 3 resources that you can go in to read Chapter 8. You have an audio version, but you must accompany, if you're going to pick the audio version, you have to accompany it with the text. Here, I'm going to provide a link that takes you straight to chapter 8, and that's very useful. And then I'm going to also provide you with a link to the full PDF. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a real cool trick that's going to save you a lot of time. Once it's open, click these little 3 dots and hit download. You're going to get a message, usually on the lower portion of your screen, that it's been downloaded. Go ahead and click on that message, and then it's going to pop up your documents. Click on the most recent one, full text of the Giver, and then double click it, double tap it, and it should open it up. Now when you see your document open up, and it might open up with a different sort of platform. I have Adobe, so it opens up Adobe on mine. But find where you can type in the number. It's usually going to be at the top, and then go to page 61, hit enter, scroll down, and boom, you are on chapter 8. That's a lot easier than having to scroll through all of that. Alrighty, so going back to the assignment, do not get confused. You do not have to turn anything in here. This is just for you to access the text. You will see another assignment that is labeled The Giver Questions, Chapter 8. And then once you're done reading, you're going to go ahead and click on that and open up the form and read the instructions right here, and then go ahead and answer the question. So the main thing is that you have to turn the question around for each of these. So for example, why does the chief elder skip? You would put the chief elder skips over Jonas because, and you're going to do that for all 4 of these questions. Pay attention to your grammar and spelling. If you see it underlined in red, it is spelled incorrectly. So go ahead and right click on it and choose the correct spelling. If the question calls for text evidence, use an example of something that happened in the book. So just pull a quote from the PDF. You can paraphrase or put into your own words what happened in the book. Read over your responses after writing them to ensure they all make sense. So what I would suggest, guys, read these questions before you read chapter 8. So as you are reading, you have a set purpose and you know what to look out for. You can save this video at this spot, pause it, and go back to it, or you can simply open up the assignment and have it on another window so that you can click over to it and check that out as well. that is pretty much it for tomorrow. So again, it's going to be your bell work attendance, read The Giver chapter 8, and then do the questions. I'm going to go back to our page. One more recommendation for you guys. It is totally okay to split up the work. Only read tomorrow, and then on Wednesday do the questions. I took you back to the agenda here. So if you notice, tomorrow it just says take notes, so that on Wednesday you can do that form for the 4 questions. So don't feel stressed out that you have to do these both tomorrow. You only have to read tomorrow and take notes, and then on Wednesday go ahead and fill out that form. I did give you until Thursday to turn that in. So, but again, reminder, if you get it done on Wednesday, just go ahead and submit it. Alrighty guys, that is pretty much it for Tuesday. If you have any questions, feel free to text me, message me through Focus, or send me a post in the questions and concerns page. Good luck, guys.